In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly integrate Microsoft Teams or Microsoft 365 Calendar with Go High Level. This integration will help you streamline your scheduling process and keep your calendar in perfect sync. So let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to log into your Go High Level account. Make sure you're using your correct credentials to access your dashboard. Once you're in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you're not already accustomed to it. This platform is designed to be intuitive, helping you manage your workflow more efficiently. Now, your goal is to get to the settings section. You'll find this in the left-hand sidebar of your dashboard. Go ahead and give it a click, and it'll open up a variety of options for you. Among these, you want to look for the Integrations tab. This tab is essentially your portal for connecting various services and tools to Go High Level, allowing for a more integrated and productive experience. In the Integrations section, you'll see a list of options that Go High Level can connect with. What we're interested in today is either Microsoft Teams or Microsoft 360 Calendar. Both of these options will be clearly visible, so you can select the one that best aligns with your needs. Click on your chosen integration option. This will prompt a series of steps to authenticate and link your Microsoft account. Now, you'll need to authenticate with your Microsoft account. It's important that this account is linked to Microsoft Teams if you're using that service. Otherwise, for calendar-specific tasks, your usual Microsoft 365 account will do just fine. Input your Microsoft login details, ensuring everything is correctly spelled and formatted, and proceed to sign in. Once you've successfully logged in, you will be prompted to allow Go High Level to access your calendars. This is a crucial step as it grants the necessary permissions for your calendar events to sync seamlessly with Go High Level. Take a moment to read through the permission requests, and once you're satisfied, go ahead and allow access. This ensures that your calendar data and events are readily available for scheduling and reminders within Go High Level. After granting permissions, the integration process kicks in. Your calendar events will begin syncing with Go High Level. This step might take a moment depending on the number of events your calendar holds. Once synced, you can easily manage your schedule, set reminders, and ensure that nothing slips through the cracks, all directly from the comfort of your Go High Level interface. And that's it, you've successfully integrated Microsoft Teams or Microsoft 365 Calendar with Go High Level. With this setup complete, your schedules will stay up to date and you'll enjoy smoother communication and planning. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful in enhancing your workflow.